Oh, this is Glenn. I'm part of the Quacera team, and as part of the team, Quacera wishes you a very happy and prosperous 2024. 2023 turned out very well. Let's look how where we were on this day, the first trading day of 2023, January 3rd. Things didn't look all that well. The cryptocurrencies were all in negative territory. The Magnificent Seven weren't magnificent yet. Nvidia was moving positive, but hadn't exploded like it would later on in the year. So let's see what happens here. We'll go to a couple of dates here. We'll go to mid year June and see how things have gone in June 8th here. So we take a look here by June 8th, mid-year. The Magnificent Seven were magnificent. This is momentum, very positive momentum outperforming the S&P. The cryptocurrencies had a little bit of a run at the beginning of the year, then they fell back off, and so by mid-year it was the Magnificent Seven leading the way. Let's go take a look in September. So now the Magnificent Seven, they were still leading the way. This is still positive momentum, but the momentum had waned dramatically. And the cryptocurrencies they had fallen back into negative territory and very little momentum, positive momentum. But that all changed. We'll go back and take a look what happened in October. By the end of October, the cryptocurrencies had regained favor. And that's partly because of the anticipation that there will be a cryptocurrency ETF. Now the Magnificent Seven, they're still magnificent. This is positive momentum. It's not a huge positive momentum, but positive momentum and barely moving into negative here, but not much. So they're still leading the market. We get into November, and you can see right here the cryptocurrencies have taken off dramatically. And again, the Magnificent Seven, they're positive, but the momentum has waned rather dramatically since mid-year. And then we'll take it to last Friday. And here you are. Again, this is positive momentum. So not an indication they're turning around yet, but they're not leading the market like they were before. And this is your cryptocurrencies that have exploded because of the anticipation of an ETF. So the question is this a buying the rumor, selling the news situation, or is it something different? And we'll just play this real fast from the beginning of the year so you can see the variations during the year. And you can see how the fluctuations that happened. Cryptocurrencies, they were popular, and that waned somewhat. And the Magnificent Seven were magnificent for most of the year. And by September, cryptocurrencies had faded again, and October they took off again into the end of the year. So here we are at last Friday, end of 2023, and we're now in 2024. And you might want to keep watching this. You can do that by going to our website, Quacera.pythonanywhere.com. And you can log in with your email if you're already a member. If you're not a member, just put in your email. You'll be in for a trial subscription. We will begin charging, I think by the end of January here. It'll be $7.95 a month, but you have a 30-day free trial, and you can stop anytime you would like. You can put in your own portfolio. You can have any. We've got over 1,100 stocks. We'll be adding more as we go along here. You can watch your stocks as for momentum and performance. But the thing you want to take a look at here is the daily news for watching what's happening in the market. This is the 81.72% of our stocks have positive momentum. Watch that to see if the breadth is increasing or the momentum is increasing or decreasing. If that starts to decrease 80, 81, 78, 72 down into 40, 50, you know there's likely to be a market correction in place. If it continues up here, we will continue to new highs. And you can take a look at the individual stocks, go to the other reports, and for example here the cryptocurrencies. Any one of these you can see, take a look, click on that, and this is the 30-day momentum. So this is gaining momentum, but this is a good positive momentum has remained. Then watch and see if there's any kind of waning in momentum. We'll take a look on the Magnificent Seven here, and we'll see. They see Amazon here that has it's still good momentum, but the momentum is a lot lower than it was in mid-year. Again, this changes every day. You update the reports. We appreciate your interest. If you have any questions, please get a hold of us at QuaceraLLC@gmail.com, and we thank you.